morning and hello, I'm Fresh Code and this is the Forex Supermodel race review and Forex briefing for Tuesday the 16th of May 2023. Yesterday we had a race at so Monday the 15th, Musselburgh on the flat, 2 o'clock. We were on this Making Dreams which came second at 5 to 1. We had 2 places on that at 1.66 to 1, so £1 on that. We had £100 on it in our case. And we went for it on the £2 win or £200 win at 6.8 to 1. So the odds were good. We didn't get the win, but we got the place. So we ended up losing the equivalent of on a £3 stake. We lost 42 pence or £42 on a £300 stake for us. So that works out reasonably well. We didn't quite get payday yet again. So the count ticked down a little bit to 68.20 units in profit from a peak of 74.5, 12.5 unit drawdown from that peak roughly. Right, today we've got a race at Beverley on the flat, 3 o'clock. It's a seller. It's class 6 3-year-old, good soft, model 94, slow. That's the thing about Beverley, it's pretty slow and it's a stiff 5 furlongs. I've written that there, so it's a 5 furlongs. Right, so the one we like is number 7, Insolenti. What do we like about that horse? Well, it's as a 2-year-old it ran well at Carlisle, 5 furlong, which is stiff. It ran well at Pontefract, 6 furlong, good to firm, stiff again, and 7 furlong Southall, stiff all way the track. And it lasts out about 5.5 furlongs, that horse, and then sort of fades a little bit. So this will be bang on for it. The conditions are in its favour, and we've got £1 for 4 places at just over evens, and we've got the main stake on the win, £3 per £8 unit on 8 to 1 on Sportsbook, which is out of line at the moment. What's going on? So we've got £400 on, or £4 per £8 unit, 0.5 unit of exposure, and there we go. So expecting a good run from that. We just need to click with one of these, and we're back in business. So that's where we are. Forex. We've had soft GBP data after a ramp up in the pound. So we'll see what happens there this morning. We've got 10 o'clock, we've got EUR GDP, gross domestic product, and 13:30 we've got the US retail sales. Now we're gonna try and do a buffer trade just prior to 13:30. At the moment the market's not really moving, and there's a bit of a crosswind on bonds and the dollar index, which is flat at the moment. So the market isn't really getting going, but we'll see how it goes. So we'll be looking at probably either pound USD, dollar yen, or euro dollar to have a go at a buffer trade. So anyway, that's where we are. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.